We are going to look at dividing by positive and negative numbers. You can think about division as undoing a multiplication. Let's see how this can work. 15 is 5 multiplied by 3. We can rearrange this to show that 15 divided by 5 is 3. A positive divided by a positive gives a positive result. We can do the same thing but with the multiplication the other way around, so that we can show that 15 divided by 3 is 5. Again, a positive divided by a positive gives a positive answer. We know from our rules of multiplying negative numbers that multiplying two negative numbers together gives us a positive result. We can undo this multiplication by dividing. A positive number divided by a negative number result. We can reverse this multiplication and see that when we look at it as a division, we are still dividing a positive by a negative, so we still get a negative result. If we look at this multiplication, we can convert this into a division. Here, negative 15 divided by positive 5 gives negative 3. A negative number divided by a positive number gives a negative result. Looking at this multiplication the other way around, when we turn it into a division, we are dividing a negative number by a negative number, and this gives us a positive result. A negative divided by a negative gives a positive result.